Rani Mukherjee is not just a fab actor, but now she's a true blue domestic diva. In conversation with our entertainment editor Rohit Khilnani, the actor talks about how marriage has changed her. Here are some excerpts from the interview.
शिवानी शिवाजी रॉय, क्राइम ब्रांच मुंबई सीनियर इंस्पेक्टर। चूहों को पकड़ना हो तो चूहा बनना पड़ता है, कुत्तों को पकड़ना हो तो कुत्ता, शेर का शिकार करना हो तो शेर।
Honey, how has life changed after marriage?
Life hasn't changed much apart from the fact that I'm physically, my residence has changed.
Okay.
I've changed my residence.
Right.
And the other thing is that I keep really wondering that how many vegetables are there in the market, since I have to decide every day what food needs to be made. Right. So it just makes me amazed, like it amazes me to find out about the various vegetables in the market that exist, which I didn't know of. So whether it's tinda or fancy, I've started to know these new names, which is really hats off to all the women who do it on a daily basis.
You know, you are someone who you have quite a few friends in the industry who are very social. And how did you manage to keep this marriage such a big secret?
Actually, it was not really a big secret. It was something that it was planned in such a way that it happened in a duration of 10 days.
Okay.
And it all came together in those 10 days. And luckily for us, nobody spoke about it.
Right.
And we kind of went to Italy and we got the marriage done.
Right.
And that's how we wanted to do it, because both me and Adi being in the line that we are, it would get attention, which we didn't want for the wrong reasons.
Right.
So we got married, and then the night of the wedding, Adi forwarded a mail from us
Sure, we got that.
telling everybody that yes, we've got married. And I think that's the way we wanted it to happen.
You know, while I was waiting for you just now, I tweeted, I said, you know, I'm interviewing Rani Mukherjee, do you have any questions? The common question that everyone is asking is, will Rani Mukherjee continue to work?
Of course. I don't understand why people get a feeling that only in the film industry an actress has to not resume work if she gets married.
Right.
I think there, in like every field, there are married ladies who are working, and I'm going to continue to do so, because I think I'm known for who I am as an actor, and I can't take that away from my life, even if I want to. And I have so much of passion towards my work that this is something that cannot be taken away from me, you know. And I'll continue acting till probably I hang my boots.
इसका असली नाम कोई नहीं जानता।
तू मेरे इलाके में है, बच के रहियो।
आज मुझे ये तो नहीं पता कि तेरा नाम क्या है, तू कहाँ से बात कर रहा है, पर 30 दिन में पकड़ूंगी तुझे, याद रखना, 30 दिन।
And you know, when you got married, media was waiting to interview you and ask you a few questions, how it happened, when it happened. You distributed laddus at the press conference, I saw that. You really have maintained a really good relationship with the media. How have you managed that all these years?
I think there's a general love that the media has for me and I have for them, because I think they've known me for many years now, and they've seen the consistency with which I've basically been in their life. For good or for bad, I don't think I've ever taken any advantage of any media person.
Sure.
So they know how I am, and they have accepted me the way I am.
Right.
And that's how it's probably a great relationship that I share with them. ये जो खुशी है मेरी आपके साथ मैं जरा बांट लूं.
Another thing is that you have also accepted critics very well, because you know not many actors are able to do that. There are times when they have really appreciated your work, and there are times when they have not. How do you take that criticism?
Actually, to be very honest, I think the critics have been very nice and very kind to me, because even when a film of mine hasn't done well, they've always praised and appreciated my work, and they've always seen what I've done in a film. So in terms of my luck with the critics, it's always been great. And obviously there are films that will do well, there are films that will be appreciated, there will be films that will not be appreciated. But I think it's very important to have critiques in your life, because when there is a critique, you actually understand where you're going wrong. when you are doing good, it's important for somebody to wake you up and shake you and tell you that, in this part you didn't do a good job, and this needs a little trimming, or this needs a little bit of and it all also has to be constructive criticism.
Right.
Sometimes
Just saying
criticism
it's
can
bad,
get a little bit biased,
Right.
but I think if it's constructive criticism, when you are honest to yourself, you know what the criticism is
Right.
actually for,
Oh,
and
yeah.
then you know it, that what they're saying is right,
Right.
and it only helps you grow
Right.
further.
So would you read a review? Would you watch a review and change something or look into?
Yes,
something?
absolutely. If I feel that what the reviewer is saying or the critic is saying, which even in my heart I felt the same, I would absolutely religiously follow it and try to change it. Shivani Shivaji Roy, Crime Branch, Mumbai Senior Inspector. चूहों को पकड़ना हो तो चूहा बनना पड़ता है, कुत्तों को पकड़ना हो तो कुत्ता, शेर का शिकार करना हो तो शेर।